Should be prepared for some wintry weather this weekend, Kevin.
Anna, look what's north here in Canada. Already beginning to see a little bit of snow in Saskatchewan and Manitoba. Already below freezing in Winnipeg. Not so much here in North Dakota. We're stepping into that colder pattern. It'll take some time. Even tomorrow, not bad. We'll be above freezing around 40 degrees. It's tomorrow night and Saturday, and that's when the core of the coldest air is going to be moving through just in time for the weekend. But again, we see a little bit behind this first system moving into North Dakota eventually. A lot of what you see in North Dakota not reaching the ground yet, but again, a chance for a few sprinkles or late night flurries, a possibility. Now we are down to freezing in Devils Lake and Grand Forks, but still 46 in Bismarck, 48 in Minot. Look for that westerly wind becoming more northeasterly for tomorrow, but right now between about 5 and 15 miles per hour. That wind, again, for tomorrow, not super strong, but northeast-east winds between about 10 and 20 miles per hour during the majority of our Friday here, again with highs near that 40-degree mark. But this first system not really producing a lot of moisture, therefore just isolated rain and snow showers, as again we're seeing that colder air moving from north to south here by 2 o'clock late in the night here, next several hours after midnight. Again, a chance for maybe a few flurries along the northern tier of North Dakota, and that chance will eventually give way to nothing more than a light flurry potential here for our morning commute. Don't expect much. We're going to see 20s though in northeast North Dakota, but highs tomorrow again above freezing in the 40s we go with that next system, the more significant system coming down the line here for tomorrow night into Saturday. This one does bring a swath of snow later tomorrow night after sunset through most of western and central North Dakota, really lining up though into the northeastern reaches of the state here. And then as the system continues to slide through on the back end or northern end of this, we'll begin to see not only falling temperatures, but the chances for snow showers continuing through our Saturday morning. Kind of get the idea what's happening behind this low pressure. The showers of snow continue drifting off into South Dakota. High pressure moves in for Saturday afternoon. That just reinforces the fact it's going to stay below freezing all day on Saturday across the north here, with temperatures between 20 and 25 degrees. Back to the 30s here in southern North Dakota. But no matter what, it's just going to be a chilly, blustery weekend here. And despite the fact we won't have a lot of wind for Sunday morning, looking at those low temperatures, right around 10 degrees, but any amount of wind putting wind chills closer to 0. Hour by hour, again, tomorrow night, cloudy skies, 30s and 40s overnight. We'll begin to see more 20s developing here into Saturday morning, with that rain eventually turning over to snow with falling temps down below freezing. Look at this, Minot. 23 at noon, middle of the day on Saturday, and that's not really going to get much warmer until we get to Monday. Coating of snow for most areas, again, maybe upwards of an inch in north central North Dakota around Minot. That would be the city that has the greatest potential for seeing at least an inch. Upper bounds would be 2 inches. Most would be a lot less than that. And once again for next week, look at how we recover so nicely with 30s and 40s and back to the 50s by Veterans Day Tuesday.
Thanks, Kevin.
You bet.